calculate PV ratio, BEP, MOS, margin of safety. Whenever there is per unit values are given in the problem, because the previous one it is somewhat complicated. You need to calculate the total variable cost, no? So here there is no need of calculating any information, derivation of any information. Directly information is given, you substitute the formulas and you can do that. And the last bit, D bit, it is when there is a selling price is reduced. How much is the margin of safety is reduced? That you need to identify. Okay, this is the new thing that you have to calculate. I think you can do this PV ratio, BEP and MOS. You can do on your own. But anyhow, I will give you a glance how to do that. Let us see how to do this. So first, the important thing is whatever it is given that you are going to show here. You have to write all those information even in exam. So even total sales are given, you need not use total sales. If it is required, you can use. Selling price per unit is given, variable cost per unit is given, and fixed cost is given. To calculate MOS, you require total sales. Okay. So first give the heading, calculation of PV ratio. First, always you calculate PV ratio first. Selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit divided by selling price per unit into 100. So take this formula. Contribution per unit divided by selling price per unit. Okay. So that will give you PV ratio. So PV ratio is equal to, substitute the values, 100 minus 50 divided by 100 into 100. How much you will get? 50 by 100 into 100. So that will give you 50%. Okay, that is PV ratio. And BEP, next you calculate BEP by using the PV ratio itself directly. Otherwise, you can also calculate by using, because we are having contribution per unit, no, selling price per unit, that also you can use. But I am using here PV ratio. Because I am using PV ratio, you will get the BEP in rupees. You are going to obtain that. Because we need to calculate margin of safety. So here total sales was given in rupees, no? So better you calculate BEP in rupees. Don't go for more calculations. Simplify it. If it is given total sales is given in units, then you calculate the BEP in units by taking the formula. Units formula. Okay. So in rupees, no. So I am using PV ratio to calculate BEP. Fixed expenses divided by PV ratio. So that will give you, fixed expenses are 1 lakh, it is given, divided by 50%, you can take 0.5. How much it is? Where is the calci? 1 lakh divided by 1 lakh divided by, this is 10,000, no? 1 lakh, okay, divided by 0.50. So how much you will get? 2 lakhs. Okay, the result is rupees 2 lakhs. So this is the break-even point in rupees. So now you can calculate the margin of safety, because the total sales is there and the total break-even point is also there. Use that formula. Margin of safety you are going to get here in rupees. Actual sales in rupees minus break-even point in rupees. We are having both the information, so use that formula. The actual sales was 3,60,000, no? So 3,60,000 minus here break-even point which we have calculated is 2 lakh rupees, no? So that you deduct from this. The result will be rupees 1,60,000. 3,60,000 minus 2 lakhs. 1,60,000. I think here there is no need of using the calci. Okay, is that clear how to calculate the PV ratio, BEP and margin of safety? Up to here, I think everyone is clear because we have done in the previous problems, no? Previously we have done that.